Friday, which means it's another TWIF review for you guys. I guess you can say this week's TWIF is going to be a BET Awards fashion review because most of the outfits that I found were from the BET Awards. So coming in at number 5 is Mr. and Mrs. Future, and this couple put black on black on black. And I thought that was really cool. You know, they're usually a very well coordinated couple. She and Future looks really nice. Future looks really dapper in this black all black suit, some combat type of boots going on. Sarah was in this kind of leather bra suit with a pencil skirt. I think they were like the cutest couple there this year. So yeah, so fashion rebel Nikki M was seen at the awards also. She was wearing a black lace dress designed by Roberto Cavalli, kind of flowy, fitted to the torso area, and it had some shredded details going on at the side. It also had a plunged neckline, so you don't know, like a cleavage that she wanting and thing. So she sported this dress with her blonde hair and minimum jewelry. She had on a gold cuff bracelet. I didn't get to see her shoes, but from what I saw, the outfit was really nice. So Mr. Nerd himself, Pharrell, also showed his fashion sense at the BET Awards this week. He was wearing a black landing suit, really fitted, very nice and clean cut. He had on his black shoes and a grey undershirt and his black bow tie. Really clean, really dapper, I might add. I believe that he was the most well-dressed male at the BET Awards that night. So the brand's princess was Adrienne Bailon, rocked a beautiful draped gown designed by Mr. Michael Costello. She was also wearing some beautifully embellished sandals, and I think it coordinated very well with her dress. So the dress also featured a thigh-high split which revealed some beautiful legs. Her makeup was very bronzy. She had a really nice tan. Her hair was fixed back into a really nice bun. And I just think everything coordinated very well. The dress was really, really sexy, very elegant, and I think she deserved the number 2 spot. Okay guys, the moment we've all been waiting for, and in the number 1 position is the beautiful Miss Meagan Good. She was seen in a dress that was kind of similar to the dress that Adrienne Bailon was wearing, and that's because they're by the same designer. But her gown was blue and it had a very nice low cut neckline which revealed some cleavage, and that was kind of controversial seeing that she's the pastor's wife. I really don't know what the fuss is about that, because at the end of the day she looks really nice and she carries herself very well. Okay, so her blue gown was accompanied by a nice silver clutch and some nice silver heels. Her hair was in its usual style, you already know, the short cut with the shaved side. And even though she's a pastor's wife at 31, Meagan Good looks really good. So that's it for this week's review, you guys. I hope that you liked it. Don't forget to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter. I love you guys and I'll see you guys in the next one. Mwah.